All right, guys, welcome to our daily IQ test. So, this is what we have for us today. So, this is the first question for our IQ test. So, please leave your answer in the chat. Let's leave our answer in the chat. So, who can give us the answer? Who can give us the answer? So, guys, what do we have for the banana? What do we have for the apple? And what do we have for the coconut? Okay, so over here, the apple is 10. The apple is 10. Then from the apple, what is the value for our banana? What are we getting for banana? Okay, the banana is 4. And what are we getting for the coconut? Right, so the coconut is 2. Right, so guys, what is the total? What is the last question? Banana plus coconut plus apple is what? Guys, what is the final answer? What do we have? Guys, what is our answer? Okay, so the correct answer here is 16. Very good. Let's proceed to look at the next question. All right, so this is the next question. Let's give it a try. What are we having as our answer? Any answer from this? Any answer from us? Any answer? Any answer from our audience? What are we getting? So who has the value for the tea or the coffee? Who has the value for the cake? And who has the value for the apple? Guys, anyone with the answer for us? Okay, so let's have a look at the answer together. So our tea, even though that looks like coffee, but our tea, let me just make it coffee. Our coffee is 10. Our coffee is 10. And then our cake, our cake is 5. The cake is 5. So now that the cake is 5, what is our apple? Our apple is 2. The value for the apple is 2. So the final answer is 25. It is 25 because we have the cake plus the apple multiplied by the tea. So we are going to do the multiplication first. The apple multiplied by the tea will be 2 multiplied by 10. That will give us 20 plus 5. That will give us 25 as our final answer. So yes, 25 is our final answer. Very good. Let's look at the next question. So this is what we have for the next question. What is our answer? Anyone with the answer for us? Okay, so the sun here, no, that is the earth first. So the earth is 10. The earth is 10. The sun is 2. The sun here is 5. Sorry, the sun is 5. And then the third one, the moon is 2. Okay, so the final answer for this particular question is also 25. Are you okay? So the answer here is 25. All right, guys, so let's have a look at the next question. So this is the next question that we have. Anyone to give us an answer? So what is the answer over here? What is our answer? Guys, anyone with the answer for us? Who has the answer? All right, so over here, the horse is 10. The horseshoe is 2. Okay, they are 2, 2, 2, 2 each. And then the boot 1 is 1. The cowboy boot is 1. So the final answer here is 21. All right, so let's have a look at the next question. So here, what do we have? What is our answer here? Guys, what is our answer over here? Guys, what is our answer? Anyone with an answer for us? All right, so over here the answer is 21. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. So what do we have as the answer over here? Guys, anyone with the answer for us? Any answer over here? Okay, so I am getting 168 over here. I am getting 168 as my answer over here. Let me know what you are having. All right, so let's look at the next question. So please, what do you have for this one? All right, Nathan is saying 86. Okay, Nathan has 86. So Nathan, please break it down for us. What do you have for the sad emoji or the crying emoji? Nathan, what are you having for the sad emoji? The first equation. All right, the first emoji is 8. What are you having for the thinking emoji, the second one? I agree, the first emoji is 8. What of the second one? The second one is 5. I also agree. What of the third one, the smiley one? Okay, the third one is 6. That is what you are saying. So, all right. So, the final answer will be a 6 plus 6. That will be 12 plus the sad emoji, which is 8. Then times twice the thinking emoji, and that will be 10. So, obviously, 8 times 10, that will give us 80. So, we'll be having So Nathan, you agree that you'll be having, yes, 12 plus 8 multiplied by 10. I agree. And that is supposed to give you something more than 86. No, Nathan, please look at it again. You do the multiplication first. You do the multiplication first. Yes, so it's supposed to be 92. Thank you. Are you okay? So it's 92. Correct. All right. So let's move on to the next one. All right, Nathan, what do you have? Think of this one. What do you have? And let me know. Yeah, the cat is 4. I agree. The dog is 5. I agree. The monkey is 7. I agree. The glasses are 2. I agree. So what is the monkey plus the dog times the cat? So it's 7 plus 5 times 4. I agree. It's 27. I agree. Correct. Totally agree. All right. So let's look at the next one. Okay. So this is the next one. No, Nathan, look at it very well. The total tens in the first one, they look to be 2, 2, 2 each. Okay, in the first one, it is 2. The second one, I can also see 2. The last one, I see only 1 there. So it's like a total of 5 over there. That is what I am seeing. I don't know about you. The total, the first one is 2 there. The second one is also 2. So I'm seeing 5 there. So let's pay attention to that. Yes, I am also getting the total to be 6. That is what I am getting. Now this is a very tricky question. So the second line, we are having the snail plus the fish is equal to 10. And then the third one, we have the tortoise plus the snail together in one picture, plus the snail plus the fish is 12. this question. This question is very, very. Wow. Now, I'm not sure the way it is appearing small, you can see, but the last one, the fish, we have a bigger fish and then a smaller fish, then a bigger fish and then one big fish turned upside down. Then the last one, we have a tortoise, a small tortoise on the big tortoise, and then the snail is behind. Are you okay? This question is very mind-boggling. So we'll skip this for now and move on to something that we can easily solve. Okay. So let's jump this one for now, Nathan. Let's jump that one for now. Nathan, are you still with me? Okay, so Jack is saying 30. Okay. No, 25. Okay. So please, Jack, break it down for us. What are you getting for the B? What are you getting for the B? Okay, 3 double B. So 1 double B is 10. Yes, I agree, which means 1 B is 5. A single B is 5. I agree. I agree. So what are you having for the Onija? Ja plus double B is equal to 20. Okay. So what are you having for the this? Okay. So the jar is supposed to the jar is 5. I agree. What are you having for the flour? Guys, if you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly do that. 2 flours is equal to 13 minus jar. Okay. I agree. So what are you getting for the flour? So 13 minus 5 is 8. Are you okay? Which means one flour is supposed to be 2. The pair is 4, but individually it is 2. Jack, I hope you agree. Individually it is 2. Do you agree? The flower, individually it is 2, but together it is 4. Yes, very good. Now the last one, we have the honeybee. But if you look at the jar has a flower on it. Kindly pay attention to the jar. The jar has a flower on it. Yes, I agree. Now, if you look at the last question, we have the honeybee, then we have the jar. The jar has a flower on it. Let's pay attention to that before we multiply it by a flower again. Yes, multiplication before addition. But don't forget that this will become 5 for the bee. Then the jar has a flower on it. So the jar is 5 plus the flower, which is 2. That will become 7. So it is 5 plus 7, then multiplied by the flower alone, which is 2. No, Jack, I am saying that if you zoom in on the jar itself in the middle, the jar has a small flower showing on it. Can you see that? Or let me increase it for you. The jar has a flower on it. Let me try to zoom in so that you can see. Okay, so I believe you can see that now. Yeah, so now that you can see, you add it to it. Flower in jar, flower is 2, jar is 5. Yeah, so you add the 2. Since they are together, you add it. In this case, just add. Just add. Let's just add it for simplicity's sake. Let's just add it. So we are getting 7 there. Yes, exactly. So 5 plus, yes, so you are getting 19. Good. All right. So let's move on to the next one. So Jack, the tortoise is 8. I agree. Then the glasses each will be 5. I agree. Now the hourglass, don't forget there are 2 each over there. Yes, so it appears so. It appears so because I'm having the hourglass, there are 4 over there. So 18 minus the Google or the glass, that will be 13. So 13 divided by 4 will be for the hourglass. So 1 is 13 on 4. And that will be 3.25. Okay, so you are getting 31. Let me quickly wrap that up. So I have the glass, which is 5, plus the hourglass, which we have 3.25, then multiplied by the tortoise, which is 8. So we have 5 plus 3.25 multiplied by 8. and that will give us 31 exactly. So I'm also getting 31. Very great. Awesome. Now let's look at the next one. Let's look at the next one. So this is what we have for the next one. Yes, the boat is 6. I agree. Yes, the life jacket or whatever, that life round thingy, is 4. The star is 2. I agree. So the first question is addition of all the boat plus the life thingy plus the star. That will be 6 plus 4 plus 2. That will be 12. I agree. And then the last one, we have 4 plus the star, which is 2, then minus 6. So obviously that will give us 0. Correct. You are correct. Awesome. Now let's move on to the next question. So this is the next question that we have. So the clover leaf is 8. Sorry, the clover leaf is 9. The flag is also 9. Jack, what are you getting the 8 for? Jack, what are you getting the... Okay, so 8 is for the heart. So that will be 8 plus 8 plus the 9. And that will give us, yes, so the heart is indeed 8. I agree. So that violin kind of thingy will be the heart plus 1, which is 9. I agree. Accordion is 9, exactly. So the clover, which is 9, plus the flag, which is 9, plus the heart, which is 8, minus the accordion, which you are saying, which is also 9. So basically, we have our answer to be 8 plus 9, because so your final answer is 17, right? Yes, exactly. So 17 is the final answer. Awesome. Awesome. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, let me move this up a little. We are saying wolf is 5. I agree. The wolf is 5. I agree. The wolf times itself. So it means Zeus. Zeus is 25, or the beard is 25. Okay, I agree. Which means the unicorn is also 25. I agree. So 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 75. Marmite, okay, that pot thingy is 75. I agree. Okay, so your final answer will be the unicorn, which is 25, plus Zeus, which is also 25, plus the pot thingy, which is 75, then minus the wolf, and the wolf in this case is 5. So your total answer will be 120. I agree. I agree. Very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. The hamster is 4. Okay. The dog is 4. Okay. I agree. The hamster and the dog all are 4, 4, 4 each. The aquarium is 23. So that will be 50 minus 4. That will be 46 divided by 2. That will be 23. So the aquarium is 23. I agree. So you have 23 plus a dog. So 23 plus 1 dog, which is 4. That will be 27 minus 49. So 49 minus 27. That will give us 22 for the cat. So the cat is 22. I agree. So we have here the cat, which is 22, multiplied by the dog, which is 4, plus the aquarium, which is 23. So we have our final answer will be 22 multiplied by 4 plus 23. And that will give us 1, 1, 1. Exactly as you've stated over there. So yes, you are correct. All right. Guys, don't forget to like and then share with friends and colleagues who might find it useful. All right, so let's move on to the next one. So we have that red thing in the bowl. Okay, so we are saying the salad is 10. Okay, Muffin Mountain will be 42 divided by 5. I don't think so. The blue pot is 42 on 15. Are you sure? Because for the blue pot, they say the blue pot 3 times that is equal to 1 the Muffin Mountain something that you are calling, right? So it means you have, in place of the Muffin Mountain in question 1, let's put the blue pot rather there. So it means in place of 1 Muffin Mountain, I'll have 3 blue pot there. The other one too will be 3. So I am getting 7 at the top there. 7 blue pot at the top. So 42 divided by 7, that is giving me 6. My blue pot, I am getting 6. They made a mistake for perfect. Yeah. So yes, it's supposed to be 6. The blue pot is supposed to be 6. Yeah, that much is supposed to be 6. So look at the question 1. In place of the okay, so let's go to question 1. I am using equation the fourth one, which is the blue pot times 3 is equal to that food mountain over there. Are you okay? So what it tells me is that in equation 1, in place of the brown mountain food, I'll put 3 of the pot over there. Are we okay? I'll put 3 times the pot over there. Yes. So in place of the first one, you put 3 there. So 3 will be 6 plus the middle one is 7. Are you okay? All right. And then the salad is 10. I agree with that. Yes. 7 pot is equal to 42. Yes. And then the salad is also 10. I agree with that. So it means that once the blue pot is 6, it means 6 times 3 will give us that mountain kind of thing. So that brown kind of mountain muffin, or you are calling it mountain muffin, will be 3 times 6. That will give us 18. Exactly. I agree. Exactly. So we have 18 multiplied by 10. That is the 18 multiplied by 10 minus the blue pot, which is 6, then multiplied by the 9. Are we okay? So we do the multiplication first. We have 180 minus 6 multiplied by 9. That will give us 54. Are you okay? So the answer will be 180 minus 54. That will give us 126. Very good. Very good. I love how we are getting to understand each other the more we analyze this. This is interesting. All right, so this is the next one. This is the next one that we have. Let's have a proper look at that. Let me send this up more so that we can see it clearer. Okay, so you are saying that the fire is 8. Obviously, that will be 72 divided by 9. So the fire is 8. I agree. chocolate. Chocolate is 12, I agree. Chocolate is 12, I agree. Then the snow cake, I'll go with your snow cake. That will be the fire plus this, that will be 6. That exactly, that is 6. So we have here 6 multiplied by the fire, which is 8, plus the chocolate, which is 12. So we have 6 times 8 plus 12. And that will give us 60 exactly. It is indeed 60. Very good. 60. Very good. All right. Guys, for those of us who are watching, please let's engage with me. Let's solve these problems together and find the answers. And don't forget to like the stream and subscribe to the channel as well. All right. So this is the next one that we have. Let me position it well so that we can see. All right. So this is the next one that we have. Please check again. And see 196. The root of 196 is 14. Please check again. 14 squared is 196. Yeah, so the chocolate is 14. Okay, the cheese, yes, if you are calling that cheese, you can call it 5. Okay, all right. So the chocolate multiplied by, yes, the snow something will be 14. The chocolate multiplied by the 5, so that will be 14 multiplied by 5. That's 70 exactly. I agree. So 70, 70, that will be 140. So the fire is 10. What are you having for the fire? There's no something there. Yes, the fire is 10 exactly. So our final answer will be the chocolate, which is 14, plus the snow mountain, which is 70, plus the first one, that marshmallow tin, whether that is 5, plus the fire, that is 10. Okay, so it's basically simply addition. So the chocolate is 14 plus the 70 plus 5 plus 10, and that will give us 99. Very good. So the correct answer here is 99. Very good. All right, awesome. Awesome. All right. So let's move on. Let's look at the next one. Okay. So let's look at the next one. This is the next one. What are we going to get? So the robot, I am getting 68 divided by 17. The robot is 4, I agree. Let's make that the blue robot. The blue robot. So 13 times the blue robot, 13 times 4. 13 times 4 will give us 13 times 4 for the blue robot. The man in the scarf, will be 13 times the 4, which is for the blue robot. Yeah, the ninja guy is 52. I like that. Ninja go is 52. Okay. So we now have 132 divided by 4. That will be 33 there. So 52 minus 33. So the red robots. What are you getting? Yes, the ninja go minus the red. Yes, the red robot is 19 exactly. Okay, so we have 99 minus 3, then minus the red robot 19. That will give us so the nigger over there, the nigger over there. Are you getting 63? Are you sure? Because it will be the robot, the red robot is 19. So 19 plus 3, that will give you 22. So 22. So 99 minus 22 should give you 77. Are you sure? Then Mr. T, are you sure? Please, let's look at it again. They are all adding. The red, yes, is 77. I agree. 77. All right. So we have your Mr. T, according to you, instead of the nigger. Nigger minus red robot multiplied by blue robot. So we have 77 minus the red robot, which is 19, multiplied by the blue robot, which is 4. 19 multiplied by 4, that will give me... Okay, so what are you getting for your final answer? Yes, I'm also getting 1. Oh boy. I don't know about you, but this is truly very engaging. You need to pay attention. A small mistake and then you are gone. All right, let's look at the next one. Yes, it's 77 minus 76. I agree. Okay, let's look at this guy. Whew, my my brain is literally fuming right now. Wow, this is many, man. So the whale obviously is 8. The crabs are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 over there. So 2x, 2x, that will give me 2x squared. The whole is 8. So 340 minus 16 and divided by 2, 162, the root of answer. The crabs are multiplying. They are multiplying. Have a look at it. The crabs are multiplying. So it's 340 minus 16, all right. That will give you 324. The crabs are multiplying. So it's 340 minus 340 minus 16. That should give you 324. Yes. And then for the crabs, if one is x, then we have 2x times 2x. That will give us 4x squared. So we divide 324 by 4. That will give us 81. So we find the root of 81. That will give us 9. So one crab is equal to 9. One crab is equal to 9. I hope you are getting it. One crab is equal to 9. Great, great. Now we have 2 crabs, which is one crab is 9, yes. So 2 is 18 plus another 18 times 2 sharks is oh boy. Oh boy. Now this is what we have. We have so what are you getting the 252 for? So in that case, I am okay. So if I go by your method, so we are looking at 270, which is the total, minus 18 minus 18. That will give us 252. Yes, yes. Don't forget that we still have okay. So we have 252, which is like let me just say 2x times 2y is equal to 252 over here. Now we know that one crab is 9, so we have 18 multiplied by 2y is equal to 252. So 18 times 2, that will give me 36. So I'll have 36y is equal to 252. So 252 divided by 36, that should give me 7. So y is equal to 7. Yes. So the shark is equal to 7. I agree. The shark is equal to 7. One shark is 7. So if we look at it, we have shark, which is 7, plus 2 whales. One whale is 8. So that would be 8, 8. That would be 16. Multiplied by one crab, which is 9. So our answer will be 7 plus 16 multiplied by 9. So we should get 151. Exactly. 151. Bro, you are amazing. Yeah. Do you see how tricky these questions are? They look that easy, but they are quite tricky. Yeah. All right. All right. That is awesome. That is awesome. All right. So let's look at the next one that we have. Actually, I have a lot. At this point, even I am feeling bad for. Yeah. Okay. So this is the next one that we have. Sun is 3. Water droplet is 9. Yes, the ice is 5. The sun is 3. The water droplet is what? Drop is 9. I agree. All right. So yes, they are just asking for them individually. So yes. Correct, 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 correct. All 3 of them are correct. Amazing. Let's look at the next one. Okay, the cloud is 8, the drop is 1, and then the sun is 10. Very good. 100% for you. Yeah. So yes, if you're adding them all, it is 19. Very good. Very good. The sum of them all is 19. All right, so let's proceed to look at the next one. Yeah, the blue octopus is 5. I agree. The violet one is 3. I agree. Then the yellow one, which is the bird, is 9. I agree. So the sum is the three of them, which is 12 plus 5, that is 17. I agree. All right, so the ones that are coming are much simpler than the previous one that we did. Okay, so let's look at this one. The crown is 12. Yes, the crown is 12. The basketball, please pay attention to the basketball. The basketball is more than 2 in there. It's supposed to be 3. The second one is 2 together. Yes, the basketball is indeed 8. The apple is 12. I agree. The that ball over there, I don't know whether wishing ball, mystical. Okay, like you said, mystical will be 24 divided by 6. Are you sure? Is it not 3 3 each? Please have a look at the mystical again. I can see 3 pictures of each. Yes, yes, mystical is 4. That is what I am seeing though. Let me just zoom into the image and see. Yes, they are 3 3 each, so that should be 6. So the mystical should be 4. So we are having the crown, which is 12, plus the apple, which is 12, multiplied by your mystical, which is 4. So 12 multiplied by 4, that is 48, plus 12. I am getting 60. Yes, it is 60. Very good. Okay. So let's proceed to the next one. The cherry is 9. I agree. Now, because there's nothing in between them, we are going to assume all of them are plus. Are you okay? We are assuming all of them are plus. Okay. So the clover you are saying is so I have 24 minus 9. That will give me 15 divided by 3. So the clover should be 5. I agree. So the clover and then the cherry will be 9 plus 5. That will give me 14. So 96 minus 14, that will give me 82. So 82 divided by 2, that will give me 41 for the peach. The peach is 41. So yes, I am saying peach, but that looks like orange. So I'm going to assume the sum, yes, the sum of all of them. So that should be 55. Yes, 55. Very good. Hmm. Oh hell. Now this doesn't look like it wants to be solved. Bro, we are going to jump this one to the next one. Why, you want the previous one? Okay, sure. So let's take our time then. So this is where we're going to find the real geniuses. You need pen and paper. I agree. You actually need a pen and a paper. I agree. I'm waiting. Go grab a pen and then a paper. You need to form a lot of equations for this. So the cup will be maybe X. The donut is Y. The croissant is like Z. Then the pancake, I don't know, maybe M. You are going to solve a lot of equations just to get this. But if you're up for it, why not? So guys, apart from Jack, who else is trying their hands on this question? So Jack, when you're ready to give up, let me know. Okay, Jack is asking for 3 minutes. No problem. No problem. Take the 3 minutes. Okay, so guys, who else is solving apart from Jack? For now, I just converted the systems. Okay, I'm still waiting. If you give up, we will continue. If you don't give up, we'll solve it. Okay, fine. Take your time and solve it. No problem. So, guys, anyone else apart from Jack who is solving this tough problem? Aside from Jack, who else is attempting this problem? Jack. Ah, oh boy. I knew this question doesn't want to be solved. A whole lot of equations. So, Jack, are you giving up or we are still doing it? Jack is a strong man. He doesn't give up. When everyone is giving up, Jack will never give up. So go on if you want. I am solving on paper. So Jack, if I go on, will you still follow along? Because you are still solving. So would you leave it, solve it later and leave it in the live chat so we can continue? So dear viewers, who is also solving this problem? Aside from Jack, who is solving this problem? Okay, Jack, I believe at this point, this is going to take a little bit longer. So let's just continue, and then we will look at the answer later on. I also need time to do this calculation because from the way it is, wow, it looks like it's in for a lot of trouble. Okay, so this is the next one that we have. So for the angry bird, which is the red one, we are having this minus that, then the root of that. Okay. 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 All right. So our final answer for this one, what are we having for the red bird, the blue one, the white ones? What are we having for them? Okay, so since Jack is still on the previous question, let's quickly look at this one together. So for the red bird, we are getting 4. The red bird, we are getting 4. For the blue one, I am getting 3. And then for the white ones, so the white bird is 2. That is what I'm getting. So from here, the answer will be 4 minus 3 plus 2. So 4 minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 3. That's my answer. Are we okay? So guys, this is our answer for this particular one. Let's move on to the next one. It's so sad Jack is still hung up on that question. He seriously wants to solve that problem. All right, so this one, please, let's have a go at this. So what are we getting for this particular question? Guys, let's solve this particular one. So who has the answer for this one, or we are still solving? So what are we getting for the wristwatch and what are we getting for the ring? Okay, so for me, per my calculation over here, which is literally a calculation of a simultaneous equation involving two variables, I let my watch be x and then the ring be y. So in the first equation, we have 2x plus y is equal to 44. Then in the second equation, we have x plus 2y is equal to 34. So if we solve these two equations, we are going to get the value of y to be 8. So it means that if that is 8, just so that we get the value of x as well, let me quickly do that. I'll have 34 minus 2 into bracket 8. That's 34 minus 16. That will give us 18. So the wristwatch is 18. Are we okay? The wristwatch is 18. And then the ring is 8. The ring is 8. The ring is 8. So if the ring is 8, it means in the first instance, the watch is 18 plus 18, which is 36, plus the ring, which is 8. And that is how come it is 44. In the second instance, it is going to be the watch, which is 18, plus the ring, which is 8, plus 8. And that will give us 34, as we can see over there. So the final answer over here, ring plus ring plus ring, So the ring plus itself will be equal to 24. Okay, so the ring plus the ring plus the ring is equal to 24 in this case. All right, so this is equal to 24 for us. So guys, thank you so much. It's been quite a very long stream, almost close to 2 hours. Yes, it's been an hour 33 so far, 33 minutes so far. That's quite a long stream. So we'll continue tomorrow. So if you really like what you're seeing for the IQ test questions, just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that anytime I go live, they will prompt you. All right. So Jack, please, I'll be ending the stream here today. Jack, are you there? All right, Jack. So I'll be ending the stream here tonight. But if you've found the answer, you can just visit the channel and leave the answer in the comments. I will reply to you. I'll also take my time to solve that problem so that we get the answer for it. Are you okay? All right, Jack. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the stream. I really appreciate that, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.